Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the umbrella glider in Fortnite. This iconic glider is a symbol of true victory, awarded only to those who conquer the battlefield. Unlike many other cosmetics, you cannot simply buy this glider with V-Bucks. It's a badge of honor, earned through skill and perseverance. We'll walk through the exact steps you need to take to add this exclusive item to your locker. Get ready to claim your prize. Earning your very own umbrella glider is straightforward but challenging. The core requirement is to secure a victory in any standard battle royale game mode. Whether you prefer playing solo, with a duo in a trio, or as part of a full squad, a win in any of these counts. Once you achieve that first victory, the glider is automatically added to your locker. It's a one-time unlock, so you only need to win once to claim it forever. Winning a match requires strategy and practice. Start by landing in areas that are less populated, allowing you to gather weapons and materials without immediate conflict. Focus on securing strong weapons and shield items as quickly as possible to prepare for engagements. Always keep an eye on the storm circle, planning your movements to stay within the safe zone while avoiding unnecessary fights. Teamwork is crucial in squad modes, so communicate well with your teammates. Congratulations on earning your exclusive umbrella glider. This special item is now a permanent part of your Fortnite locker, a constant reminder of your skill and dedication. You can equip it for every match, proudly showcasing your victory to other players. It's a fantastic way to personalize your experience and stand out from the crowd. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your next drop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.